Welcome to the Slop Farm. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to play Euro Truck Simulator 2 offline. First, make sure your game is completely installed and updated through Steam. This ensures you have all necessary files locally. Then, before launching the game, you'll need to set Steam itself into offline mode. This simple preparation guarantees a smooth, uninterrupted trucking experience without an internet connection. To activate Steam's offline mode, begin by opening the Steam client. Look for the Steam menu located in the upper left corner of the window. Click on it and from the drop-down menu, select the option that says Go Offline. You will then be prompted to restart Steam. Confirm this action. Steam will then relaunch in its dedicated offline state, ready for your game. With Steam successfully operating in offline mode, you are now ready to launch Euro Truck Simulator 2. Head over to your Steam library, find the game, and click the play button as you normally would. The game will start up, accessing your local save files and all installed content. You can now enjoy your trucking routes and deliveries without needing any active internet connection. While playing offline offers great flexibility, remember some limitations. Features like World of Trucks events, which involve online connectivity, will not be accessible. Also, any game updates or new downloadable content will require you to temporarily go back online to download them. Always ensure your game is fully patched before planning long stretches of offline gameplay.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you today.